Try again. That croak. Ah, that's it. Yeah. Alright, mate. Yeah, right on. Right. What a cunt. Come on. What? Oh. Oh. Just generally anyway, I'm a targeted individual and I get microwave with directed energy weapons, and what you're hearing there, if you're not fucking stupid, is, well, it's obviously not birds. Birds do not communicate or whistle in an infrasonic fucking manner. So what you're hearing here is encrypted infrasound used by the US military, painted it on Google, patented even. So if you're familiar with these fake bird calls, you hear them all over the BBC channels. There's obviously no birds in front of your fucking eyes, but you can hear the high-pitched whistling and there'll be a twat on a motorbike zooming around. There you go, you can put these noises through the bird app, which analyses the frequency and says it's a fucking, it's definitely not birds, but that way. Cool.